Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Fix File Explorer Preview Pane not working on Windows 11. First method is click View, click Show, select Preview Pane. Second method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart Task. Third method is click File Explorer. Click three dots, click Options. Click View tab, check Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails. Uncheck Show Preview Handlers in Preview Pane. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type SFC /scano. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.